Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run Selenium tests on Chromedriver, on Chrome using Chromedriver rather, and this is in the Eclipse development or coding environment for Java, so let's get right into it. So just a quick explanation, Chromedriver is a standalone server or separate executable for Selenium to control Chrome. You can run tests on Chrome using this, and it is in general a very useful tool. I don't have experience with using it, however, I have heard it used quite a lot. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the nitty-gritty of it. First of all, make sure that you download Chromedriver. First of all, make sure it is installed. Make sure that you download the same version as your Google Chrome version. You can test that by going into the top right into the three vertical lines or three vertical dots, going to help and about Chrome and seeing which version you are running. Once you download it, you just need to go to the download list. You can navigate the Chromedriver official site quite easily. I don't need to help you with that. However, once you do download it, make sure that it is installed and it is mainly in the root of the automation project. And once you do that, once that's installed, make sure to configure it by going into environment variables in your PC. Once you're here under system variables, go to the path variable and then make sure to add a new one named either stack demo or whatever you want your project to be named, or with the location of your Chromedriver executable. Once you do, you will be able to import it completely fine. You don't need to set any import in Eclipse. What you need to do is only just to create a variable named driver equals new driver or new Chromedriver. This is the class that it uses, and yeah, you really don't need to do anything else except that, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.